Welcome back to Cash and Coins. Well, I want to tell you how I take stacking to the next level. We stack for many different reasons. Some want weight, some want wealth, preservation, some want insurance, and some just like to collect shiny metals. I'm a mixture of all of it. My first coin I flipped right away, meaning I bought it at one price and sold it for profit. But that's not what I usually do. I have to have variety. Here are some coins that I purchased at APMEX. We'll start off with this African Leopard coin from Ghana in Africa. It had a mintage of 25,000 coins. There you see the reverse with the African Leopard. It's a 1 ounce, 0.999 fine silver, as you can see it there on the screen. And then the obverse design has the Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth II, a leopard pattern on the background. I think that effect of the leopard print on the background is really awesome. I like the way that they did that. And then, putting the Queen's face over that. That was very clever. And this was done by the Scottsdale's Mint, and it is legal tender of the Republic of Ghana. The thickness is 3.2 millimeters. We next have a coin from St. Lucia in the Caribbean or Caribbean islands. This coin also has a limited mintage of 25,000 coins. It's also 1 ounce and 0.999 fine silver. You see there had the Queen Elizabeth, and then on the reverse it has the two pink flamingos. This is a nice design. I really liked it. This is the 2018 version of the coin. As you see on this coin and other coins, I did try to get a nice close-up of the coins so you could see the details. They're really nice. On the obverse, I said it is the Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. All right, next we have the from the Australian Mint, Perth Mint, we have the Kookaburra, a bullion coin. In 2015, which this is the 2015, the Mint was celebrating 25 years of the Australian Kookaburra bullion. As you see the Kookaburra there. And on the obverse, they always have the Queen, and the value is $1. Next is another Caribbean coin from Antigua Barbuda. This is a 2019 coin, also with a limited mintage of 25,000 coins. Also, it's only 1 ounce of 0.999 fine silver. There you have the Queen on the obverse, like most of these coins have. And then on the reverse, we have the 18th century pirate, and he's looking at his crew loading some rum from Antigua and Barbuda. This is a really nice coin. I think it has like a 3D effect to it. The Scottsdale Mint did this coin. It's really, really nice quality. I think this is one of the better coins they have. All right, and finally, we have the 1 ounce silver American Eagle or American Silver Eagle. This also has 1 ounce, 0.999 of fine silver. You see there on the obverse, it has Adolph A. Weinman's design with Lady Liberty walking, and on the reverse, the very familiar eagle. Here's another view of Lady Liberty. As you know, this was also on the 50-cent piece on the old constitutional coins. They just modified the design a little bit to make it look like this. But as I was saying, on the reverse, it has the 13 stars there above the eagle. The eagle's there holding the arrows and the olive branch in its talons. They are going to change this coin. That's why I bought this coin, because the 2021 is going to have some security features added to it. So I wanted to get this one, being it the last one, and I don't have the first one from 1986. And this is the way that I like to stack. Do I pay extra premiums sometimes? Sure I do. But I'm getting a nice variety of coins, and I'm really, really happy and satisfied with them. At last count, I had 60-some countries, but if you're going to count, territories, commonwealths, and all that, I've got over 100. Well, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I tried to make it a little bit interesting there for you. I would love for you to like and subscribe and hit your notification button. I really appreciate all the subscribers that I've gotten so far. Thank you all for subscribing. I really, really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.